Battery draining too fast on Ninja Blast? Fix it. If your Ninja Blast isn't holding a charge like it used to, here's what could be causing it. And how to get longer runtime. 1. Use a fast USB-C charger. Slow or incompatible chargers may not fully charge the battery. Make sure you're using a USB-C cable and adapter that support fast charging. We've linked a reliable one in the description that works great with portable kitchen gear. 2. Let it fully charge. If you stop charging too early, it won't hold a full cycle. Wait for the light to turn solid green. That means it's ready. Flashing green means it's still charging. 3. Avoid overuse in a single session. The Ninja Blast is made for short blends, around 30 seconds per cycle. Doing back-to-back blends without breaks can overheat the battery and drain it faster. 4. Don't store it while dead. Storing the blender with a dead battery can shorten battery life over time. If you're putting it away, charge it up first. 5. Keep it out of the cold. Using or storing it in low temperatures can reduce how long the battery lasts. Let it warm up to room temp before blending. Still losing power too fast? Contact Ninja support using the link below. And if your current charger isn't cutting it, we've linked a fast USB-C option that'll help. If this helped extend your runtime, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.